Welcome back to Urge to Write. Today we're going to talk about what if. So what we're trying to do is we're going to try and take some of the ideas that we've generated with the idea generation. The video that I did last, if you, I'm going to put it on a card somewhere up there maybe. If you want to generate some ideas, that's a great way to do it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to really focus in on 1, 2, 5, 10 of those, whatever it is. Really focus in on one of them to start off with and say, and ask a what if question. So let's say it was about a profession, and let's say that you've had an idea for a craftsman. So we could say, what if the craftsman wants to create a magical pendant? What if he made the pendant wrong? What if there was an influential person that had commissioned him to make it and now he wants it and it's not ready? Or what if the magic went wrong and instead of doing whatever it was meant to do, it does the opposite, or it curses the person, or you could start going in all sorts of directions. Now, what you need to do is you need to continue with the what if questions for, write 20, write 50, write 100. Just carry on and do as many questions as you can to generate some ideas that you think are worth putting your time into as you want to write about. Okay, if you found this useful, please hit the like button, and if you want to hear more of this type of content, then please subscribe and hit the bell button. Speak to you in the next video.